Your joints ache. Maybe it's your knees, your fingers, or your lower back. Some days it's a dull throb. Other days it feels like fire. You assume it's age, maybe arthritis. And the next step? A trip to the doctor. But what if the solution didn't start with prescriptions? Before you book that appointment, there is something you can try, something backed by science and used by thousands to reduce joint pain naturally. And the best part? You probably already have it in your kitchen. Stick with me. I'll share 3 powerful remedies too. Soothe aching joints, especially number 3, which shocked even some orthopedic specialists. Let's get into it. Remedy number 1, turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Its active compound, curcumin, has been shown in studies to reduce joint pain as effectively as some over-the-counter medications. But here's the key: your body doesn't absorb curcumin well on its own. That's where black pepper comes in. It contains piperini, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Try this simple mix: 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and warm water. Stir and drink once daily. Some people also mix it into smoothies or golden milk. One man in his 60s shared that after drinking turmeric tea daily for a month, he noticed less stiffness in his knees and could walk farther without discomfort. Remedy number 2, Epsom salt soaks. If your joints feel swollen, stiff, or painful at the end of the day, soaking them can bring immediate relief. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, a mineral combination that helps reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath. Soak for 20 minutes. If the pain is localized, like in your hands or feet, you can use a basin instead. Magnesium also helps calm the nervous system and reduce muscle tension, which often compounds joint pain. Plus, it supports over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including ones related to inflammation and repair. Many people report better sleep and fewer flare-ups just from adding this one ritual to their nightly routine. Remedy number 3, gelatin or collagen supplements. Collagen is the protein that makes up cartilage, the stuff that cushions your joints. As we age, collagen production drops. And that's when joints start grinding, popping, and hurting. Taking collagen or gelatin supplements, especially types 1 and 2, can help rebuild joint tissue and reduce inflammation from within. In one clinical trial, athletes who took collagen daily saw a significant reduction in joint pain within 12 weeks even without changing their workout routines. You can mix collagen powder into your coffee, tea, or smoothies. It's tasteless and dissolves easily. If you prefer whole foods, bone broth is another excellent source of collagen, plus amino acids that help repair tissue. Here is the truth: you don't have to live with joint pain, and you don't have to rush into medication. By using these 3 natural remedies, turmeric, Epsom salt soaks, and collagen, you can begin supporting your joints from the inside out. Start with just 1 today. You might be surprised how your body responds. If this video helped you, type joint relief in the comments and let us know which remedy you're going to try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, science-based health tips you can do at home to feel better, move better, and live stronger. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.